Hello everyone. Today I shall discuss exercise 12.3 question number 6. Saina pays rupees 15,000 as rent for 3 months. How much does she pay? How much does she has to pay for a whole year if the rent per month remains same? Here you see that for 3 months for 3 months Saina pays rupees 15,000 as rent, right? Therefore, for 1 month, Saina pays rupees 15,000 by 3 as rent. Therefore, for we know that 1 year is equal to 12 months. Therefore, for 12 months, Saina pays rupees 15,000 by 3 into 12. That is 3 4 ja 12, right? As rent. Now, if we multiply 15 4 ja 60, 15 4 ja 60,000, 1, 2, 3. 15 into 4, that is 60,000. Therefore, how much does she has to pay for a whole year? Therefore, we can say that therefore she has to pay rupees 60,000 for the whole year. Right? This is the solution of question number 6. For 3 months, Saina pays rupees 15,000 as rent. Therefore, for 1 month, Saina pays rupees 15,000 by 3 as rent. Therefore, 1 year is equal to 12 months. Therefore, for 12 months, Saina has to pay rupees 15,000 by 3 into 12. 3 4 ja 12 and 15 4 ja 60, 0, that is 60,000. Therefore, she has to pay rupees 60,000 for the whole year. Right? Therefore, she has to pay rupees 60,000 for the whole year. This is the solution of question number 6 of exercise 12.3. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.